Let's now look at the asset side of the balance sheet, and we start with the current assets. So current assets will mean current inventories. Inventories will include raw material, work in progress, and also the finished product. That's your inventory. Trade receivable, as we purchase goods on credit, they become trade payable. We sometimes have to sell our products also on credit. So until the time the customer pays is back to us, it reflects in our balance sheet as trade receivable. Then you got a cash and cash equivalent. Cash simply means the money which is lying in your bank account or the money which is lying in your cash box. That is cash. What is cash equivalent? So remember, sometimes company may have invested some money into some securities which are redeemable within a period of 3 months. यानी कि आपका कुछ ऐसा पैसा जो आपने कुछ सिक्योरिटीज में लगाया है, and you are going to get this money within a period of 3 months without any risk to the value of the investment, and those are referred as cash equivalent. So as you can understand, it is cash, it is not cash, but it is almost like cash, क्योंकि आप इसको कभी भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. Third is fourth is short term loans and advances. So short term loans and advances, remember, it does not mean what you have taken from others, because now we are talking of the balance sheet, है ना. Now we are talking of the balance sheet. So short term loans and advances का मतलब है what you have given to others. So remember, in case of a company, what happens? The employees go on business work, and they take travel advance. So where that will come? It will be part of the loans and advances. Sometimes an employee may come to you, and they will ask you for advance for personal reasons, and salary advance. So that is also part of your short-term loans and advances. The advance tax that you pay will be part of your short-term loans and advances. Sometimes you need to keep security deposit for some reason, so that is also part of your short-term loans and advances. Other current assets का मतलब क्या है? Something which is not fitting into these first four, they will be part of your other current assets. And then you got a current investment. Now what current investment would mean? Company के पास में company's got some surplus money lying for a short period. Instead of keeping that the money, the surplus money into a bank account where you don't earn anything, what company would do? Company would buy certain securities or make investment in certain debentures or something like that. So that is your current investment. Current investment would mean investment that you can quickly liquidate, which you are holding for a short period and you can quickly liquidate. That is your current investment. As somebody was asking, that reserves and surplus जो हमने last balance sheet में discuss किया, the reserves and surplus, where does that money go? So remember, that money, that money goes into creating these assets. So when you earn a profit and plow it back, you will not keep that money into the bank account, because if you keep it in the bank account, it is criminal. Why criminal? Because you are putting money which is not earning you anything, and which is very bad financial management. So all the reserves and surplus, what the companies will do, they will increase their tangible assets. They will increase their intangible assets, right? And they will make non-current investment. So that means they will buy companies, they will make investment into companies. So that is how the money which was appearing in the reserves and surplus in our earlier discussion will be coming and getting invested into all these assets. Okay. So let's understand now the non-current assets.